Hey everyone, I am Arush Akshita and we are watching Connect Arush English. Please subscribe, like and share my channel so I will be motivated for creating technical videos like this. So chatted. Today we are continuing our full stack web development series and this is our part 40, and in this video I am going to discuss what are DOM loading in JavaScript. So let's go to our computer screen and get started. Also I have created a basic page. You can write the same code in your browser and you will get the output of this. Now here I have already written script. Now just like HTML and CSS, in HTML we use this thing, and in CSS we use this thing. This is also available in JavaScript, but this is for multi-line. Suppose we want for multi-line comment, so we will use multi-line just like this. And if we want a single line comment, it means that is just a single line, so we can use double slash. So now what is DOM loading? Now the DOM loading is that thing which helps the JavaScript to understand the method of understanding the HTML docs. Suppose I want to load this h1 in my memory in JavaScript, so I will create a variable h1. Now you are just a beginner, so I am using the var, but in my real life I use const instead of var. So now what is var? Var means we are defining a storage in our memory for the h1. So I am writing document.querySelector. Now what is document.querySelector? Document.querySelector means it can select the element with the help of the CSS selector that you use to select this element. Suppose I want to select h1, so I will just write this. And we also have a method called querySelectorAll. Suppose I duplicate this heading and write here 2. Then querySelector will simply write the one. First let me tell you the single, this thing. So I am console.logging the h1 like this. So now our h1 will be printed. So I am just refreshing it. Go down and inspect. It's here, it's printing right now. So we can change the inner HTML also. But what if I say you have to select these both elements in a list? So we will use querySelectorAll for that. Now it is of two node list 1 and list 2. It has all the functionality that a normal list have. This is not very different. They are a simple JavaScript array. So let me select this outer HTML element. So for that we will write here var outer HTML is equal to document.querySelector and here we can write dot outer HTML. I will simply console.log the outer HTML. Save this and go here. Refresh. It's null. Okay, because here is a spelling mistake, we have to pass here .html instead of HTML. So it's like this. We have selected our element. So after this element we have inner HTML. So inner HTML is equal to outermost element and inside that element we have inner HTML selector. So I am writing inner HTML is like this. We select it and refresh. Now it is like this. So that's it, guys. This is ready. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching the video.